Hello guys, welcome back to channel TechMets again. And don't have time to mindlessly scroll on Instagram and you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, well you have found the right video because I'm going to show you in simple and easy steps how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So first of all, open a different browser. Yeah, not Instagram application but a different browser that supports Instagram. Now, what you've got to do is on this search box, you've got to type Instagram login. Oh no, not Instagram, Instagram login. Okay, now go for go. And now on the topmost part, you can see login.instagram. Click on this. Now, complete action using any of the browser. You can just select one. So before you come to this page, you'll have to pass one more step, that is enter your login details, that is your phone number, username or email address and your password. Make sure to remember your password because you'll also need to remember your password for the next step. Now, when this page opens, on the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon with your profile picture. I don't have a profile picture, so you can just see a profile icon there. So click on this. So when this page opens, now under your name, you can see edit profile. Click on edit profile and scroll all the way down. So while you scroll down, on the last thing you see is temporarily deactivate my account. Click on that. So now here on this box, you can see why are you deactivating your account as a question, and you can also select any of the options that's given there below. Now, once you're done with that, please enter your password here. So once you enter your password here, suppose let me just type anything. Okay, after you are done with that, you can see this below button, temporarily deactivate account that was once fogged is now clear blue, and you can click on that. You're about to temporarily deactivate account. Click on yes, confirm. So once you are done with that, my password was incorrect, so no problem. But if you enter the right password, your account will be temporarily deactivated. Thank you for staying till the end of this video, my friends. I hope I was able to solve your problem and answer to your question. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me that like and don't forget to show me some support with your subscribe. Thank you.